Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on a Canon TS3750i. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel found on the top of it. Now to print this page, we're just going to press on the setup button you can see here, just once, and when we see 1 on the screen, we then press either the black or colour button found at the bottom here to print. Now if we give our printer a minute, we'll end up with a page that looks like this. And what you can see here is the black, cyan, magenta and yellow ink your printer uses, demonstrated in this fine pattern for the black, in addition to the kind of solid block over there, which is applicable because obviously if you're printing in black, a lot of it's going to be text, so you need that finer detail that a solid block like the other colours doesn't really offer you. And if you've got any kind of breaks or even an absence of colour, there'll be some cleaning needed on the black. And to be honest, the colours are all kind of the same. The top bar is like a more of a pure representation of the colour ink your printer uses, the coloured inks your printer uses within the tricolour cartridge, and the bottom one's like a lighter version, doesn't use as much ink, so its ability to kind of really control its output of ink. And if you've got any issues here, again you'd be looking for either an absence of colour or maybe even some light lines, thin lines running across there. And if you've got any quality issues of that description, I'd recommend checking out our videos on cleaning and deep cleaning for this printer, which we also have on our channel, as that's likely to help you get yourself back up and running. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.